In any given mentoring arrangement, the mentee is bringing questions to the mentor. And another way to look at a question that the mentee is bringing is that it's an issue. So when the mentor is now having to disentangle these issues that the mentee is bringing forward, they're doing it with the mentee through a collaborative conversation. But often what the mentee is also bringing with this is confusion, and sometimes even to the point of saying, I quit dealing with the issue. Now, that's not a great way in which to deal with issues in a mentoring arrangement. And I'd like to share some ideas with you to untangle that mess that is sometimes brought to you as a mentor. Welcome, welcome. Dr. Stephen Hobbs here from the Wealth Movement. I'm a facilitative mentor of about 30 years, and I so appreciate this educating approach, whether I'm using it in the workplace or I'm using it with family and friends and my recreation activities, is that to understand and to have a deep appreciation of facilitative mentoring is an excellent way in which to have conversations, and when necessary to use it as the basis of guiding someone forward. Now, to this point of the mentee bringing issues or the questions that the mentee is bringing, there are two broad types of issues that are placed on the table. There are problems or there are appreciations. The problems are the ones that are hindering, holding you back. There is concern associated with them. On the appreciative side is that they are helping you and that there is joy. And I would like to suggest is that while there is problem inquiry and appreciative inquiry, and you can look up those tools as well, often when I look at these appreciative issues, if I deal with the expansion, extension of them, they'll often influence, if not take care of the problem issues. There's three things I would mention right off the bat, okay? The first thing is it's best not to deny those issues as a mentor. They are real to the mentee. Those questions are real. So get the mentee to not deny them. The second thing is when you master them, you become free. When you master the issues, you answer the questions, you feel much more free. The thinking flows, the feelings of accomplishment and achievement flow with it. And the third piece that I would add to this is that by dealing with the issues, you actually gain a perspective that we associate this with learning. I've learned something, oh, I've dealt with it, so when it comes around next time, I know how to deal with it in a more refined way, better way because of what I have already learned. So I think that just generally makes sense. So as a mentor, find those ways in which to deal with those issues with your mentee and do it in such a way that when the mentee leaves the mentoring arrangement, they have the tools and techniques about being able to deal with the issues so that when they go to mentor, which is one great thing that unfolds out of your mentoring arrangement, then you will have given them some tools and techniques to be able to work with their mentee. And that is a wonderful gift that you can bestow as a mentor. I just offer that to you out of my own experience, and you can certainly let me know down below with the comments, because I'm going to ask you to subscribe and comment and like and share and hit the bell to get more notifications of what's available.